Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so welcome back to a new video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, so you wouldn't miss a video. Um, if you've seen previous videos, especially, and if you like education about certain softwares to use or tips and tricks, um, I'm your man. All right, so let's look into Artistly. Um, So when you first log into your site, this is what you'll see. Um, and this is a demo.
Welcome to Artistly 4.0. Now, this is our
They just updated it, so um, this will be where your purchases is. Um, Artistly full pay. I went the full price. Pay once, own it forever. That's including like updates and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and create something. Um, I already got some prompts here. So these are like Lord of the Ring characters, inspired at least. Customize settings. Let's pick 4 pictures and let's do 16 by 9. So we have more an option. It also does logos. So as you can see, I did a couple logos for some companies. These are really good logos. So you guys can check that out. All right, let's check. Now that's awesome. And you see how the characters are consistent? There's ways to uh, keep them in the same position, different positions and stuff like that. Um, um, Consistent characters. This looks consistent, but it's even better. But we could save that for another video. Um, I'm just using this as an example. Um, let's go for our next prompt. So this is the Orc Warlord. Now I just bought this. I'm just getting familiar with it. So so this is awesome. You see this? It did exactly what I wanted it to do. Well, ChatGPT gave me in the description. Um, but as you can see, that works really good, really well. Um, if you're a video creator or however it may be, um, this is definitely a really good app to get professional images and stuff like that. Let's see. Train your AI. All right. Let's uh, get a picture of me. Uh, oh, here we go. Let's pick this picture. Um, let's say warrior. Let's say Islamic warrior. Islamic warrior. You could put your face in any situation. This is pretty cool. My eyes are kind of squinchy, but uh, I did use a picture that it's not too good. So it's good to show your face, your eyes not so squinty. I did this already before this, so I'll show you guys that one. I like the like the previous one. I mean, this the eyes squinty too, so I did it before, so this one I like a lot better. Um, but you guys can put however you like. You can see I've done some uh, logos for certain people and stuff like that. And I mean, yeah, it costs. A lot of people try to look for something for free, but that just doesn't work. Um, yeah, you make your money back selling logos. You sell images. You can do coloring books also. Um, can't I usually use the AI image or the logo. Um, I apologize. Give me a second. So you could do T-shirt mock-ups. Um, um, you can tell it what to do. Football jersey. Um, I'm not gonna do it here. Just comment below if you guys want a video about it and stuff like that, and I'll make one. Just subscribe to the channel, and I'll make a video because I don't want to make this video too long. Um, you know, because this type of video can be really long, going into details and stuff like that. And this is just to get you guys familiar with, you know. Um, let's try this. Uh, let's try warrior. Oh, might not do too good because it's the color of it. I don't got too much of a good picture of myself, but let's see what it does. Uh oh. Okay, it did alright. So, um, yeah, that's how this works. Um, I'm trying to see AI product images. I mean, there's so much you can do here. If you guys got any questions, just leave them in comment, and I'll answer your questions. All right, thank you. All right, bye.